how to start your own business in less than a week without any prior experience. My name is Ed J.C. Smith, founder of the Champion Academy, where we bring out the champion inside of you so you can live life on your terms. All right, today's session, we are talking how can you start a business in less than a week? How can you start your own business in less than a week without any prior experience? Now, the quickest thing to sell, there's two core elements. It's not property, it's not investing. And I'm not saying those things aren't good. Of course, learning how to do property is a good thing. Learning how to do, trading is a good thing, but they are not the quickest way. They are assets. I invest in them. I have a portfolio in them. However, if you want to make money quickly in today's market, there are two key vehicles, the quickest ones. Number one, the quickest vehicle is someone else's product or service. It's really that simple. It's already done for you. So in less than a week, right, you need to find a product or service that you know that people want. Right? And if you can introduce people to that product and service, you can take a commission for that. In less than a week, you could put two people together, and depending on what the product is, depending on what the service is, you can make a transaction value. I started as a young personal trainer, right? And I was hustling, I was working, I was providing my service. I'd had a bad back when I was younger. I learned how to, get a better back. And that was kind of my first service, helping other people, because I was in the gym, I was working out, I was talking to people, and people started coming up to me and asking me how I'd done this. And that's, for most experts and specialists and that trade their information, all right, that's how they normally start, right? I started in health, and then I moved up into relationships, and I moved up into, more wealth-based sort of businesses. However, right, I'm here to tell you, as a young trainer, I was earning every year, and I was earning every month, and it was building, etc. But here's what I noticed: when I started putting my clients together, I made more in one transaction by putting two of my clients together than I did for the whole year. Get that in your head, all right? So the quickest way that you can start to make money, right, without even having a business, without any prior experience, is finding out what is a product and service that people already want. Look in your contact details right now. Who do you have that you could put two people together and you could make a vehicle of exchange on that, right? You could make a commission based on that, because that's all business is, a value exchange, where you're helping someone out of a pain into a pleasure. If they want this thing, you don't have a way of providing it. Put those two together, make a value exchange on that. The second fastest way, all right, is to create online programs, all right, to exchange your information. If you have an automated system set up that you can understand how to drive a Facebook ad, that someone wants to see the thing, you're giving away a free voucher session, some sort of token discount, and they come to that offer, they put their details in, they want to have that thing, and in exchange you can either call them or someone else calls them, or you sell them an online program in some shape or form. Because the reason that online businesses are one of the best businesses in the world today is they don't have the overheads that a traditional business would have. All right, I used to have a franchise of restaurants, I used to have a beauty salon, and you have this massive overhead every single month. You have these huge amounts of staff. Today, online, you can have a massive profit margin with information products. So information products is what I recommend every single step of the way. Till then, till next time, no matter what happens, never give up on those dreams, and I will see you on the next video. Subscribe, comment below, all of that jazz. All right, and if you haven't got my book, grab it, Money Mindfulness Daily. What school failed to teach you: the secrets to earning the money you truly deserve. Go and grab a copy before I take it down. All right, I'll see you soon.